transporting scrap into processing line.
Scrap cars entering shredding stage. Reducing car volume for processing. And so begins the mechanical shredding, where thousands of pounds of rusted steel are broken down for reuse. Breaking cars into recyclable pieces. Output from shredding system. The shredded material is transported via a series of heavy-duty conveyor belts, moving steadily toward the next stage of processing. Further size reduction. The vibrating screens separate the rusted red-brown steel pieces by size. Preparing magnetic sorting. Using powerful overhead magnets, the steel is extracted from the shredded car fragments.
Here we see the waste separation stage. The remaining non-steel waste falls away as the steel continues forward to be made into new beams.
Clean steel ready for melting. Large bins filled with sorted steel scrap from old cars, representing temporary steel storage. Charging furnace materials.
The preparation phase is critical. We load the rusted scrap, and the furnace begins the process of transforming old cars into new steel beams.
Rusted red-brown steel scrap poured into high-temperature furnace.
The steel scrap begins to glow a darker orange as the heat inside the furnace dramatically increases.
Steel fully liquefied into molten orange metal. Purifying the molten steel as impurities are skimmed from the surface. Transporting liquid steel. Here on the casting line, the beam-shaped molds are aligned and prepared for the incoming molten steel. The molten steel is carefully poured, filling the molds uniformly to create the new beams. Molten steel inside molds beginning to solidify.
Here we see the newly formed solid steel beams as they exit the molds during the critical mold removal process.
Here, the hot silver beams undergo a process of controlled cooling along the conveyors. Water sprays even